Today, we're diving into a full review of KDPal, Kids Book Publishing AI Agent. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Research hot niches, auto-create and publish kids coloring books, puzzles books, activity books in low competition niches that rank high fast and easily on Amazon. One-click Amazon AI Assistant instantly research, create, and publish best-selling no-content kids books like coloring books, activity books, in seconds, no writing required. KDPal is your ultimate tool for dominating the world of kids book publishing. Effortlessly research profitable keywords, discover hidden niches, analyze competitors, and publish profitable kids books in record time. Create coloring books, activity books, puzzles, storybooks, educational books, picture books, and more with just a few clicks. Tap into the $237 billion children's book industry with KDPal. Zero audience required, reach over 6 million parents for free. Amazon does all the hard work, your content is automatically placed in front of 310 million readers on Amazon's global platform. No writing required, the AI assistant does all the content creation for you. No typing, no experience, no design skills needed. Scale without limit, we publish children's books effortlessly with KDPal, and earn passive royalties every time someone reads our book. Hands-free publishing, the more books we publish, the more we earn, with minimal effort. 100% free traffic, no ads, no SEO, no social media marketing. All traffic comes from Amazon's built-in audience. No hidden costs, profit without paying for ads, traffic, or SEO. Everything is included. Complete automation, just a few clicks, and KDPal takes care of the entire publishing process for you. No monthly fees, pay once and keep 100% of your profits forever. No tech skills needed. Set up in 60 seconds and watch the AI do the work for you. 100% legal and ethical, no hidden fees, no extra expenses, just easy publishing and profits. Rest easy with our 30-day money-back guarantee, we've got you covered. Digital marketer. I've tried countless ebook tools, but KDPal is the only one that actually helps me research profitable niches and get my kids' books ranked on Amazon. The AI-powered niche and keyword research gave me targeted data to outshine the competition. While other tools only create ebooks, KDPal is a full publishing assistant that has boosted my sales and helped me achieve real, sustainable profits. My books are ranking higher and selling faster than ever before. Digital product creator. I couldn't believe how quickly I could publish my first kids book with KDPal. The AI-powered content creation is mind-blowing, and the seamless formatting makes my books look professional with zero effort. This tool has taken the stress out of publishing and has dramatically accelerated my success on Amazon. It's truly a game changer. Over 250 million kids books sold in 2024, KDPal is shaking up the kids book publishing industry like never before. Thousands of people just like you are raking in profits from the $282 billion kids book publishing boom. The real question is, are you ready to cash in with KDPal? The children's education market is booming. Over 250 million kids' books were sold last year, and the demand for interactive and educational books, from coloring books to activity books and puzzles, is skyrocketing. With over 6 million parents and educators actively searching for engaging ways to educate and entertain their kids, the opportunities in this market are massive. Over 6 million users visit Amazon's Kindle store every single day, eager to discover fresh content that keeps kids learning while having fun. But here's the kicker: most people don't know how to take advantage of this booming market. They assume they need to spend countless hours writing, designing, and marketing their books. Our cutting-edge AI handles everything for you, making it easier than ever to create and publish high-quality educational kids' books that stand out in this rapidly growing market. No writing, no design skills, just results. Say goodbye to the overwhelming process of creating and publishing kids' books. KDPal isn't just another ebook creator, it's an all-in-one AI assistant that handles every step of your publishing journey, making it easier than ever to succeed in the kids' book space. Here's how KDPal helps you take control of the entire process. What if I tell you there is a niche like that, and it's highly profitable, low competitive, and booming, growing at an unprecedented rate? The no-content and low-content book creation niche is a game changer. You've probably heard of traditional storybooks or picture books, but did you know that coloring books, puzzle books, and activity books are some of the most highly profitable products in the children's book market right now? Research profitable niches and keywords. Instantly find high demand, low competition niches and profitable keywords to get your book ranked at the top of Amazon's charts. KDPal does what no other tool can, empowering you to create high-quality kids' books on Amazon KDP, with minimal effort. With KDPal, you can enter this growing and highly profitable market without spending years learning how to become an expert in writing, design, or publishing. Instead, you'll have access to the best-kept secret in the children's book industry. Unlock hidden categories. Discover undiscovered categories that give you a unique competitive edge over other authors, putting your book in front of the right audience. Analyze your competition. See exactly how your competitors are performing, what's working for them, and how you can outperform them to dominate the market. Automate the entire publishing process. From creation to publishing, KDPal handles the tedious details so you don't have to. No more manual headaches, just streamlined, fast publishing. Manage ads and marketing like a pro. KDPal helps you run ads and marketing campaigns effortlessly, ensuring your book gets the visibility it deserves without stress. In just 60 seconds, KDPal transforms your ideas into polished, professional children ebooks that are ready to hit the market. Effortless bestseller creation. KDPal is more than just an ebook creator, it's an all-in-one AI-powered publishing assistant designed to help you dominate the kids' book market on Amazon. Instantly research profitable keywords, uncover hidden niche categories, and optimize your book to reach millions of readers. AI-powered low-content bookmaker. With KDPal's AI engine, you can create high-quality kids' books in a matter of minutes, no writing experience needed. Whether it's coloring books, activity books, or puzzle books, KDPal helps you transform your ideas into bestsellers with just a few clicks. AI Book Cover Maker. Create stunning, professional quality covers with KDPal's built-in cover designer. Stand out in the crowded marketplace and grab the attention of potential buyers with eye-catching book covers designed to attract both kids and parents. Advanced KDP research tools. What sets KDPal apart is its advanced research capabilities. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, That link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.